Enjoyment in Holi. The colors of Holi which start oozing a week before and make your face radiant for a long time even after Holi. Children are the loyal friends of colors. People should learn from children how to play with colors, gradually surrendering themselves to the colors and making life colorful like a rainbow. Gattu and Chinky also get lost into colors. They have all the fun like singing, dancing and much more. But this year Gattu Chinky society was not going to celebrate Holi. The planning of the children was complete, but at the last moment something happened and it got cancelled.
Dad, I have heard that no one is going to celebrate Holi this year. Why so?
Dad answered in a very serious tone. Yes, son. What to do? The matter is very sensitive.
What happened, Dad? Are you guys doing any prank on the children? On the last Holi, my friend Lily's society people did a prank on the children. Till the morning they kept saying that they won't play Holi. And when the children agreed to do so, then the elders started throwing colors on the children and started shouting Happy Holi like kids.
No, kids. No one is doing pranks here. Actually, the matter is that Bunty's grandfather is quite serious. He's admitted in the hospital for last 10 days.
But Bunty didn't tell us anything.
He hasn't even been told so far. You two don't tell him anything. He's quite serious now. Anything can happen. In this situation, if we play Holi, will it look good, kids?
No, Mom, it won't look good at all. We will not play Holi. Now, shall we go downstairs to play?
Yes, go. But come early. We will just do the ritual of Holika Dahan.
That's why Gattu's society wasn't ready to play Holi because of grandfather's serious condition. The children were also giving full support to everyone by becoming matured.
Hey Bunty, where is your grandfather? He is at Raju uncle's place for last 10 days. Gattu, won't we play Holi this year? No one wants to talk about Holi. If Grandpa would have been here, he himself would have gone to the market and brought colors and pitchforks for me. I am asking to my parents, but they are just not paying attention to me. No problem, Bunty. We all won't play Holi this year. But why?
No one had an answer to this question of Bunty. Bunty got angry and started playing alone in the ground.
Poor Bunty, what will happen to him when he finds out about his grandpa? His grandfather was a good man. Whenever he used to meet, he used to give us toffee or chocolates.
So in this way, this year's focus of the children shifted from Holi to grandfather. And the plan to play Holi got cancelled. Holika Dahan took place in the evening, and after that Gattu Chinky came upstairs with their parents and started having dinner.
Poor Bunty. You didn't tell him anything, did you?
Bunty got to know.
Who told him? We didn't tell him anything.
Not you. His father took him to the hospital. His grandfather wanted to talk to him. So they took Bunty to visit him.
Oh, alright. Concentrate on your food. Chinky, what are you thinking? Eat your food?
After having dinner and spending some time with their parents, Gattu Chinky fell asleep.
Good night. Today I didn't wanted to say good night so early. I'm not feeling good. Every year after having fun at Holika Dahan and after having Puran Poli, we all gather downstairs. Do all the planning. Where we will put the water, where we will put the sweets, what do we do with the cold drinks, what to do with uncles, how to throw the balloons. Oh my, it was so much of fun.
It was morning. Holi started. The rest of the societies, the roads and the whole city was painted with colors, where everyone was playing with colors. Gattu's society seemed to be covered with a white sheet. Then suddenly someone threw a colored balloon on Gattu and the whole bed of Gattu got painted in color. Gattu woke up quickly and when he looked in front of him, Mom, Dad and Bunty were standing with balloons of colors in their hands.
Looks like I'm dreaming or what? Chinky, wake up! Wait, let me wake her up.
Then Bunty hit a balloon on Chinky. Chinky woke up and started crying.
No, Bunty, no. This is cheating. You promised you will throw only one balloon at me.
Bunty, Mom, Dad and Gattu also started laughing.
Chinky, stop dreaming. Bunty has thrown only one.
Chinky opened her eyes and she started shouting.
What? Everyone along with Bunty was doing a prank with me. Oh God, what a huge prank.
Son, this was all planned by Grandpa.
What you mean? Grandpa has returned too, after complete recovery. Yesterday I went to meet him. We had a conversation and grandfather asked for discharge. Where is Grandpa? He is downstairs playing Holi with everyone.
Then what? When Gattu Chinky came running downstairs, they could not believe their eyes. Grandfather was playing Holi with everyone like a child. The color of the society was back. Gattu Chinky, come on! When grandfather showered Gattu Chinky with colors, then Gattu Chinky stopped for a while. Then they also started playing colors with grandpa and the real Holi started. Dancing, singing, having sweets and lots of drinks. It was really fun. Everyone stopped after getting tired. Then secretly Gattu asked a question to grandpa.
Grandpa, honestly, you pranked us all, didn't you?
Grandpa laughed and said, I did the prank with the disease. I told her I was scared. She said, let's go to the hospital. I said, okay. And the disease thought it could trap me. But as soon as Bunty came, I told the disease to go away. I had enough of your game. Now we will play. So children, what we will play?
Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Come on, say louder! Happy Holi! Happy Holi!
In this way, they celebrated this year's Holi. It became more colorful with Grandpa.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।